My dear students, good morning. Today I have taken your another chapter from physics, chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. And the topic, light and its nature. You know light and you use the term light in your daily life. But what is light? Light is a form of energy. Like other form of energy, sound, electricity, magnetic energy, heat energy, light is also a form of energy that influences our eyesight, eyes. Light is a form of energy that influences our eyes. ऊर्जा दैट इज प्रकाश ऊर्जा का वह रूप है जो हमारी आंखों को संवेदित करता है, हमारी आंखों को प्रभावित करता है, राइट? हियर कैन यू से और कैन यू टेल, हैव यू सीन लाइट? क्या आपने लाइट को देखा है? I hope that you will answer yes. But light is energy. If light is a form of energy, so it cannot be seen. That is, we see only effect of light. At this time, we are able to see each other, we are able to study, we are able to see our surrounding because of light. Light is a form of energy, it cannot be seen. That is, it is invisible. But it helps us to see objects. So you can say here, light is invisible form light is invisible, but it helps us to see things around us. Now see the nature of light. Nature of light. Light is a part of electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic wave. Light is a part of electromagnetic radiation. which wavelength is from 3900 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. In class 9th, I have told you about the wavelength too. So here, light is a part of electromagnetic radiation, which wavelength is from, that is from 3900 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. Initially, light was considered as particles. That is, it was considered that light travels in the form of particles. But later on, light was considered as particles later on. It was considered as wave, but today it is considered as quantum or quanta. Quanta is plural and quantum is singular. That is, here today it was considered that, or it is considered that light behave as particles as well as wave both. That is, Max Planck considered light to be made of considered light as quantum. Quantum means packet. Quantum means packet. That is, it is considered that light energy or light travels in the form of small packets, right? Packets are bundle, and one quantum light energy equal to h nu, where h equal to Planck constant, 6.6 2 into 10 to power minus 34 joule second, and nu is the frequency of light wave. So today it is considered that light travels in the form of quanta. One thing more here, light travels as transverse wave. Although it does not need a material medium it means light from sun comes to us in the form of transverse wave. One thing more, it does not affect the medium. That is, when light comes from sun to earth and when it enters in our atmosphere, it does not affect the atmosphere. So these are about some points, that is light and its nature. One thing more, light consists of 7 different colors Vibgyor, violet, violet, I indigo, B blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange, R red. Now take some questions and homework. First question, define light. Question number 2, have you seen light? Question number 3, name different colors present in light. Question number 4, write nature of light. Question number 5. Name the type of wave to which light belong. That's all. Thank you.